guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm changing it up today. I'm in my kitchen because I needed more surface space to show you what's up with this product. And no, I'm not drinking wine alone when my kids are at school. Today I'm going to be testing and showing you guys what I think of this portable automatic makeup brush cleaner and dryer. I bought this for a gift guide idea video that I have launched, and a lot of you guys asked me about this afterwards and you were curious about this crazy little product. So I wanted to dedicate an entire video to just this product. So the way that this majiggy works is that you get a bowl, and then you get a tool that comes in a little bag, and then you get a stand for all of these attachments. So at first I was really I didn't understand it. What is this? Then I figured it out and I kind of am now obsessed. All right, so here are my makeup brushes. You want to grab a brush, you want to check your attachment, and you want to insert your brush into the attachment where it fits but is snug. I find that every brush you can really find an attachment that fits, which is awesome unless it's an oddly shaped handle, in which case you're kind of shit out of luck. But for the most part, it's pretty good. Then you add this attachment, you insert it into your machine, and then how it works when you turn it on is it goes crazy. Look at this! Isn't this so cool? So now what you want to do is there's a fill line on here. You want to fill it up to the fill line. You want to add your cleansing agent, and then you swirl your brush into it. I'm going to demo that, but first let's talk about cleansing agents. So one cleanser that I use quite often is by Sephora. It's a makeup brush shampoo. It's purifying and it's antibacterial formula. If you want to go a little budgety on it, not gonna lie, what I typically use probably 99% of the time is straight up dish soap. I know that makeup brush lovers here are probably like keeling over in their chairs, but let me tell you why. So dish soap is amazing at removing oil and grease. And when we have our foundation brushes that have cream products that are oily and slick and greasy, I just find that dish soap works really, really well. Does it ruin your brushes? I don't know, I don't think so, because I've had some of these brushes for like 10 years and they're still legit. But if you want to be extra careful, then you can definitely buy an actual brush cleaner, and that's what I can demo with today. So what I want to do is fill up this guy to the max line with warm water. Then I'm going to take my Sephora brush shampoo, I'm going to add in a few drops, and then I'm going to grab my brush, I'm going to dip it into the water, and I'm going to turn it on. They say to move it up and down, so I like doing that because it kind of opens up the bristles and really, really thoroughly cleans it. The craziest thing about this is that your brush is like legit clean, like super duper clean, but, okay, if you're a makeup artist, you'll understand this. Brushes that are dense take forever to dry. They just take forever to dry. You lay them flat to dry, sometimes it's like 2 days before they're dry. Dries your brushes, so after you're done cleaning it, you lift it up and you hold it up above the water. You're just supposed to leave this for like 30 seconds or so, and when you take it out, your brush is freaking clean and dry. What? So let's do something that's a true test, and that's a foundation brush. So let's grab a dirty brush where we've used cream product, such as this guy, and let's see if this really cleans. Does it open? Oh my god, this opens too! That's so weird, because this is like a cone-y shape and it opens flat. In the water we go. So move it up and down. It looks clean to me, guys. I don't see any foundation residue on that at all. Here's some B-roll of me cleaning more brushes so you get a really good look at what actually goes down when these brushes are getting cleaned. summary of pros and cons, let's go. So the water gets pretty dirty pretty fast and it starts to get super cloudy and muddy. So you do have to continuously replace the water and you have to use more and more of your brush cleaner. I don't really see that as a big deal because if you're washing it under the water one by one, you'd be using quite a bit of brush cleaner anyways. Actually, you'd probably be using more brush cleaner. One con is that although these sizes do fit most brushes, there are the odd shaped brushes that it doesn't fit, such as the dual-ended brushes, where one side is one type of brush and then the other side is another type of brush. You obviously can't clean dual-ended brushes with this machine because you don't want to squish your brush into one of these holders. That's a con, but I mean, not everyone has dual-ended brushes and I don't even have that many of them. The pros are that you get a really thorough clean, it dries instantly, it's very quick and effective. I freaking love this. I wish this was an infomercial because I want to sell these. If you want to buy it, there's a link in the description box below for Amazon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely give me a thumbs up on this video if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that I know to keep making more of them for you. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.